Hey guys, so I have another little video here I'm gonna be making. So I don't know if it's so much a trick per se, but it was something I stumbled on by accident, and I don't know why I would have thought otherwise. So I had this heatsink here, like you can see, and this copper, I guess, pin or whatever it is from the heatsink was actually in here. So what I used to do, because like I've said in the past, scrapping isn't my number one thing. Like some people, their number one method of making money. I would just clip the tips that were sticking out and put it in my copper pile. And one day I was actually using this for another specific reason, and I was heating it with a heat gun, and by accidentally I nudged it, and this kind of popped out, this part up here, and this was fully loose. So I was like super surprised by that for some odd reason, because like I said, I don't know why it would have been stuck together any other way. Obviously they used solder and all that to get this all stuck together. So I'm gonna make a quick video on what I did, and maybe it helps you guys remove copper a little easier. Price wise or cost wise, I don't know if it's worth it. Someone that's willing to do the math, great. So I'm pretty much gonna heat this guy here with a heat gun. So obviously the cost to remove the copper here from the heatsink using a heat gun, someone who wants to do the math could figure that out if it's cost effective or not. I'm not willing to do it, so I'm just gonna make a quick video here just to show you guys that it's doable. So sorry guys, this might be a little loud for a bit while this heats up.